Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show how to use Apple logo as a button. This is a new feature which has been updated in Apple iOS 14 and above. Apple introduced a feature where users can double tap or triple tap the back of their iPhone in order to trigger a specific action. Whether you want to tap the back of your iPhone to mute it or even take a screenshot, this back tap feature makes it a breeze. So to take advantage of this feature, first go to settings, then scroll down and find accessibility, then under physical and motor, here you will see many options like vision, physical and motor, hearing, general. I will show you in the coming videos what are their uses. So right now we need to come to physical and motor, select touch, then you can see here there are many other options which we will come in the later part. Now you scroll down and the last option is backtop. Click on that, then now if you want to enable it by double tap or triple tap, you select the action based on that. So let me select double tap. So here you will see many functionalities which you can enable by double tapping on Apple logo. So for now let me select screenshot. Okay, now it's enabled. Let me go back. You can see back tap is on. Now let me double tap the iPhone logo. Okay, so here you go, the screenshot is taken. You can try that again. See, it works like a breeze. It should work on all iPhones for above iPhone OS and 14 and above. So if you want it triple tap, you can select triple tap and enable some other functionality. So if you double tap, it will take a screenshot. Then if you select torch for triple tap, if you triple tap the phone on the Apple logo, it will enable the torch. So that is it for today guys. Hope you liked it. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.